The foundation of health: vitamins and supplements. Our bodies are intricate machines reliant on a complex interplay of nutrients. Vitamins and supplements are often touted for their health-boosting potential. But what exactly are they, and do we really need them? They play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, providing essential micronutrients for growth, development, and disease prevention. Understanding vitamins, the essentials of life. Vitamins are essential for bodily functions. They convert food into energy, boost immunity, and repair cells. Without them, our bodies wouldn't function properly. Vitamins are either fat-soluble or water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in fatty tissues and liver. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water and aren't stored. Balance is key, as excess fat-soluble vitamins can be toxic. Each vitamin has a unique role. Vitamin A is essential for vision. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption for strong bones. B vitamins are involved in energy production. Vitamin C protects cells from damage. Understanding vitamins helps us make informed dietary choices, ensure a variety of nutrient-rich foods for essential compounds. Sourcing vitamins. Nature's bounty. Nature provides an abundance of vitamin-rich foods. Vibrant fruits like oranges and strawberries are excellent sources of vitamin C. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins A and K. Lean proteins like fish and poultry offer vitamin B12. Consuming a rainbow of fruits and vegetables ensures essential nutrients. Delving into supplements. Bridging the nutritional gap. While a balanced diet should ideally provide all the vitamins we need, factors like dietary restrictions, medical conditions, or lifestyle choices can sometimes create nutritional gaps. This is where supplements come in, offering a concentrated dose of specific vitamins or minerals to bridge those gaps and support overall health. Supplements are available in various forms, including pills, capsules, powders, and liquids, each designed for different needs and preferences. They can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle to meet their nutrient requirements through diet alone, such as pregnant women, vegans, or individuals with certain medical conditions. It's important to note that supplements should not be considered a replacement for a healthy diet, but rather as a complement. They are intended to supplement, not substitute, a balanced nutritional intake. Before incorporating any supplements into your routine, consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial. They can assess your individual needs, identify potential deficiencies, and recommend appropriate supplements and dosages to address those specific concerns. Section 5. Supplements, forms, and functions. The world of supplements offers a vast array of options, each with its own set of characteristics and purposes. Understanding the different forms and functions of supplements empowers consumers to make informed choices. Multivitamins combine multiple vitamins and minerals in a single dose. Single nutrient supplements deliver a concentrated dose of a specific vitamin or mineral. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, promoting digestive health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in heart health and brain function. Consulting with a healthcare professional is highly recommended. Section 6. Weighing the pros and cons, natural sources versus supplements. The debate surrounding natural sources versus supplements is multifaceted, with each approach presenting its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these nuances is essential for making informed decisions about how best to nourish our bodies. Natural sources, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, offer a holistic approach to nutrition. They provide not only vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that work synergistically to promote overall health. This intricate interplay of nutrients is difficult to replicate in supplement form. Supplements, however, offer convenience and targeted solutions. They can be particularly beneficial for addressing specific deficiencies, providing a concentrated dose of the lacking nutrient. This can be especially helpful for individuals with dietary restrictions, medical conditions, or lifestyles that hinder optimal nutrient absorption. Ultimately, the ideal approach often lies in a combination of both worlds. Prioritizing a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods while strategically incorporating supplements to address specific needs can create a comprehensive and personalized nutrition plan. Section 7. The allure of supplements. Convenience and targeted approaches. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often dictates our choices, and nutrition is no exception. Supplements, with their ease of consumption and readily available dosages, offer a tempting solution for those seeking a quick fix for their nutritional needs. Busy individuals, frequent travelers, or those with limited access to fresh produce may find solace in the simplicity of supplements. A daily multivitamin or a targeted supplement regimen can provide a sense of security, assuring them that they are meeting at least some of their nutritional requirements. Furthermore, supplements cater to specific needs with laser-like precision. Iron supplements for combating anemia, calcium and vitamin D for bone health, or B vitamins for boosting energy levels exemplify the targeted approach supplements offer. However, this allure of convenience and targeted solutions should not overshadow the importance of a holistic approach to nutrition. Supplements should be viewed as complements to a healthy diet, not replacements for the nutritional richness and complexity offered by whole foods. Section 8. Potential risks: navigating the supplement landscape. While supplements can be valuable allies in our quest for optimal health, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks associated with their use. Understanding these risks empowers us to make informed decisions and prioritize safety. The supplement industry, unlike the pharmaceutical industry, is not subject to the same rigorous regulations and oversight. This lack of stringent control can lead to inconsistencies in quality, potency, and even the presence of undeclared ingredients in some products. Furthermore, high doses of certain vitamins and minerals can have adverse effects. Excess iron, for example, can lead to organ damage, while too much vitamin A during pregnancy can harm the fetus. It's crucial to adhere to recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Interactions with medications are another potential concern. Some supplements can interfere with the effectiveness of certain medications, while others may exacerbate existing health conditions. Open communication with your healthcare provider about any supplements you are taking is essential to avoid potential complications. Section 9. Dispelling myths: separating fact from fiction. The world of vitamins and supplements is rife with myths and misconceptions, fueled by marketing hype and misinformation. Separating fact from fiction is crucial to make informed decisions about our health. One common myth is that more is always better when it comes to vitamins. While our bodies need adequate amounts of these essential nutrients, exceeding the recommended daily intake can lead to toxicity, especially with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Another misconception is that supplements can magically compensate for an unhealthy diet. While supplements can bridge nutritional gaps, they cannot replace the benefits of a balanced diet rich in whole foods. They should be viewed as complements to a healthy lifestyle, not shortcuts to good health. The belief that all supplements are created equal is another fallacy. The quality, potency, and bioavailability of supplements can vary significantly depending on the manufacturer, ingredients, and manufacturing processes. Choosing reputable brands and consulting with a healthcare professional can help ensure you are investing in high-quality products. Section 10. Seeking guidance: your healthcare provider, your ally in health. Navigating the complexities of vitamins and supplements can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Your healthcare provider is your trusted ally in this journey, offering personalized guidance and evidence-based advice. They can assess your individual needs, taking into account your medical history, lifestyle, and dietary habits. Through blood tests or other assessments, they can identify potential deficiencies or excesses, tailoring recommendations to address those specific concerns. Your healthcare provider can also guide you on appropriate dosages, potential interactions with medications, and the selection of reputable supplement brands. They can help you decipher the often confusing world of supplement labels, ensuring you understand the ingredients, potency, and potential risks. Open communication is key. Inform your healthcare provider about any supplements you are currently taking or considering, even those perceived as harmless, such as herbal remedies or over-the-counter vitamins. This transparency allows for comprehensive care and minimizes the risk of adverse reactions or complications. Section 11. The power of informed choices: nourishing your body wisely. The journey to optimal health is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and making conscious choices that support our well-being. When it comes to vitamins and supplements, Knowledge is power. By understanding the differences between vitamins and supplements, their sources, potential benefits and risks, and the importance of seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about how best to nourish our bodies. Prioritizing a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods should always be the foundation of our nutritional strategy. Supplements, when used judiciously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, can serve as valuable allies in bridging nutritional gaps and addressing specific needs. Remember, our bodies are not static entities but dynamic systems that require a holistic approach to health. By embracing a well-rounded lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and informed supplement use, we create a fertile ground for our bodies to thrive.